Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve these rational function equations. Let's start with the first one, the one on the left side. 1 over x equals x plus 17 over 2x squared. The first step is to find the restrictions for this equation. We should set the denominators equal to 0 and solve for x. The denominator on the left side is x. I get x equals 0. This is the first restriction. Next, we can set the other denominator equal to 0. I get x equals 0. So this equation has one restriction. X cannot be equal to 0. If we get 0 as a solution for this equation, it will be an invalid solution. Now we can start solving the equation. The first step is to cross multiply the denominators. We can cross multiply 2x squared to the left side and x to the right side. One times 2x squared is 2x squared. On the right side, we can distribute the x in the parentheses. Next, we can combine x squared terms by subtracting x squared from both sides. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve it by setting it equal to 0. We should subtract 17x from both sides. We can factor this equation. We can do common factoring. We can factor out x from both terms. Now we can solve this equation by analyzing the two cases. The first case is x equals 0 and the second case is x minus 17 equals 0. I can solve for x by adding 17 to both sides. I get x equals 17. I get two solutions, 0 and 17, but since 0 is a restriction, x equals 0 cannot be a valid solution. So this rational function equation has just one solution, x equals 17. Now we can solve the second equation. Let's start by finding the restrictions. We should set the denominators equal to 0. Let's start with x plus 6. I get x equals negative 6. Now we can use the second denominator. I get x equals 4. So this rational function equation has two restrictions, negative 6 and 4. If the solution for this equation is negative 6 or 4, it will be an invalid solution. Now we can start solving the equation. The first step is to cross multiply the denominators. We can cross multiply x minus 4 to the left side and x plus 6 to the right side. Next, we can distribute the terms in the parentheses using the FOIL method. We can do the same on the right side. Now we can combine the like terms on the left side and the right side. Negative 4x plus 2x is equal to negative 2x. Six x minus 3x is equal to 3x. Now we can cancel out the x squared terms on both sides by subtracting x squared from both sides. Next, we can combine the x terms by subtracting 3x from both sides. We can also combine negative 8 and negative 18 by adding 8 to both sides. Negative 2x minus 3x is equal to negative 5x. Negative 18 plus 8 is equal to negative 10. Now we can isolate x by dividing both sides by negative 5. I get x equals 2. This solution 2 is not among the restrictions, so this is a valid solution for this equation. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.